Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this rosemary oil for hair strengthening and super hair growth. So if your hair breaks or is stunted, then watch this video. Now here is my rosemary plant. These are dried rosemary petals, and this is just similar to the spice you use in boiling your meats called thyme. Rosemary has a lot of benefit, especially when it comes to hair. Basically, what the rosemary oil does is to help to stimulate blood flow, and this will help to foster the growth of hair on the head. I'll share more benefits of rosemary as we move on, but to extract this, I'll be needing a carrier oil to help extract the constituents of the rosemary flowers for easy application or use. So here I have sunflower oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice. Just make sure to use something that your hair would love. So on my hot plate or induction cooker, I'm just gonna set it up on low heat, and then I'll take my dried rosemary petals into my dry pot, and then I'm going to add my oil into it. So here I have 25 grams of dried rosemary petals, and then I have 200 grams of my sunflower oil. I will gently stir this with my spatula, and then I'll allow this to start simmering. When it starts to simmer, I'm just gonna reduce the temperature so that I don't get it burnt really fast without extracting its constituent. Meanwhile, you have to keep stirring this and not to leave it for too long so that it doesn't just get burnt at once. So just keep giving this a stir until the dried rosemary petals are dried and the oil changes in color. Make sure to do this in a airy place, and if you can't stand the smell of this oil, you can wear your face mask or just try your best to inhale less of it. And also, if you have watched to this point, please take out your time and hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you so much for your support. So I'm just going to continue letting this simmer and stirring continuously, and as you can see, some of the dried flowers are already turning brown. It means they've been extracted, and some are still green, so I'm just going to keep stirring until they're totally extracted. Now moving on to the benefits of rosemary. This ingredient is a very powerful hair stimulant, as so many people would say over time whenever I talk about hair growth, they would be like, the hair is still gonna grow anyway. Everybody hair grows. Now for sure, the truth is everybody hair would definitely grow, but there are some hindrances that can make your hair grow less, stunted, break, and this will affect the growth of your hair. So when your hair grows normally, just like a human being that you are, and it breaks, it cannot be long and it cannot be healthy as well, because it keeps growing and then it keeps breaking off. So you just remain in one place, remain stunted, remain unhealthy. But then in these plants are situated constituent that helps to stimulate hair growth, also helps to strengthen the hair so that they don't break off, helps the blood circulation so that it fosters hair growth. And with this, you see that your hair just keeps improving and you do not have too much to worry about. Now rosemary has majority of those constituents that your hair needs to be really healthy and to grow very well, and that's why it can be used even alone. And of course, you can also add any other ingredient that you feel will help the rosemary to stimulate hair growth. Now see that the dry flowers are already turned brown and the extraction process is completed. I'm just going to put off the induction cooker, and then I'll take this off from heat. I'll set it aside and allow it to cool a bit while I take a bowl and a sieve, and I'm just going to sieve out the rosemary flowers from the oil that has been extracted. After getting this extract, you may want to add vitamin E oil to help extend the shelf life of this oil if you're not using them up in a very quick time. So this is how the oil looks right now, and this oil is very powerful for hair growth. Can be used by adults and children, can also be used on natural hair and relaxed hair, and it is used on the scalp and hair, majorly on the scalp, because it is best as improving blood circulation which helps to stimulate hair growth. This can be used 2 to 3 times a week, and in 4 weeks you should start seeing results. If you'd give this a try, please let me know in the comment section. Also, we have lots of dried rosemary petals in stock. You can see the description box if you would want to patronize us. You can also use this extract oil to make your own rosemary hair butter or rosemary edge cream. However, trust me when I say rosemary works wonders for hair. So this is how we made our own rosemary oil with just 2 ingredients. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you next time. Bye.